Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you are doing well. Today's discussion about computer science PowerPoint MCQs. Tab is not available on left panel when you open a presentation. A. Outline. B. Slides. C. Notes. D. All of above are available. So the right answer is C. Notes. Of the following section does not exist in a slide layout. A. Titles. B. List. C. Charts. D. Animations. So the right answer is D. Animation. PowerPoint presentations are widely used as A. Note outline for teachers. B. Project presentation by students. C. Communication of planning. D. All of above. So the right answer is D. All of above. The following pan is not available in task pan. A. Getting started. B. Clip art. C. Word art. D. Search results. So the right answer is C. Word art. Of the following pan is not available in task pan. A. Slide designs. B. Master slide. C. Slide layout. D. Slide transition. So the right answer is B. Master slide. Of the following statement is true. A. You can insert text boxes from drawing toolbar in PowerPoint. B. You cannot insert text boxes from drawing toolbar in PowerPoint. C. Text boxes are provided when you choose a layout and cannot be inserted afterward. D. None of above. So the right answer is A. You can insert text boxes from drawing toolbar in PowerPoint. You delete a text box object from a slide in PowerPoint presentation. A. The object is deleted but text box and the text inside is left on the slide. B. The text box is deleted and the text is pasted on the slide. C. The text box and text both are deleted. D. None of above. So the right answer is C. The text box and text both are deleted. What happens if you edited an image inserted in PowerPoint? A. The original file that was inserted is not changed. B. The original file that was inserted in changed. C. The original file is changed when you save presentation. D. None of above. So the right answer is A. The original file that was inserted is not changed. You select insert greater than picture greater than from file. A. You can insert picture and clip part. B. You can insert clip art only. C. You can insert pictures only. D. None of above. So the right answer is C. You can insert pictures only. Start slideshow of a presentation. A. Hit F5 key. B. From slideshow menu choose view show option. C. From slideshow menu choose rehearse time. D. Both A and B. So the right answer is D. Both A and B. Which file format can be added to a PowerPoint show? A. .jpg. B. .gif. C. .wav. D. All of the above. So the right answer is D. All of the above. Material consisting of text and numbers is best presented as A. A table slide. B. A bullet slide. C. A title slide. D. All of the above. So the right answer is A. A table slide. Create a new presentation by completing all of the following except A. Clicking the new button on the standard toolbar. B. Clicking file new. C. Clicking file open. D. Pressing Ctrl plus N. So the right answer is C. Clicking file open. To select one hyperlink after another during a slide presentation, what do you press. A. Tap. B. Control plus K. C. Control plus H. D. All of above. So the right answer is A. Tap. Is the term used when a clip art image changes the direction of faces. A. Group. B. Flip. C. Rotate. D. All of the above. So the right answer is C. Rotate. The following features should you use when typing in the notes text boxes. A. Slideshow. B. Insert. C. Slide measure. D. Zoom. So the right answer is D. Zoom. Which of the following is the default page setup orientation of a slide in PowerPoint? A. Vertical. B. Landscape. C. Portrait. D. None of above. So the right answer is B. Landscape. Want a PowerPoint photo album slide show to play continuously? A. Use random slide transition. B. Launch an online broadcast. C. Loop continuously. D. All of the above. So the right answer is C. Loop continuously. Which of the following tool enables you to add text to a slide without using the standard placeholder? A. Text tool box. B. Line tool. C. Drawing tool. D. Auto shape tool. So the right answer is A. Text tool box. Objects on the slide that hold text are called A. Placeholders. B. Object holders. C. Auto layouts. D. Text holders. So the right answer is A. Placeholders. Which command bring you to the first slide in your presentation? A. Next slide button. B. Page up. C. Control plus home. D. Control plus end. So the right answer is C. Control plus home. To select all of the boxes of an organization chart. A. Clicking and edit and select all. B. Right click the chart background and then click select all. C. Press and hold the shift key and click each box. D. All of above. So the right answer is D. All of above. Slide layout panel. How many layouts are available for text layout by default? A. 4. B. 7. C. 12. D. None of above. So the right answer is A. 4. How many steps are there between start and finish in auto content wizard? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. So the right answer is A. 3. Which shortcut key inserts a new slide in current presentation? A. Control plus N. B. Control plus M. C. Control plus S. D. All of above. So the right answer is B. Control plus M. अगर आपको हमारे स्लाइड पसंद आए तो काइंडली हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. द बेस्ट इज़ येट टू कम.